Hey guys, I'm showing you this fleece lined beanie with light. It's a USB rechargeable LED headlamp knitted hat. So as you can see, this comes in a nice box, and this is a great gift for men or anyone else. So this is like a stocking stuffer. So you can see like just open it, and this also have the LED light, so that's very useful when you go in the night or in the dark somewhere outside in the winters. So you can see it's a very nice fluffy, and this is the LED light that you can turn on and off. So to recharge this light, because this is a rechargeable light, so you can actually take out this LED light and recharge it when the battery is low. So here how you can take this out: take this USB cap, charge it in the USB directly as I'm showing here, and once this is charged, you can see like the red signal when this turns, and this is fully charged. You can just put the cap back, and you can put this LED light back into the beanie hat. So this is warm, comfortable, soft, along with the LED light, which is a rechargeable, very nice thing to have in winters.